Let's take a look at this example. This time we have variable inside of the parentheses. In order to find value of e, we're supposed to eliminate the parentheses first. Simply by applying the distributive law. I have to multiply -5 by every single term in the first parenthesis and +6 by every single term in the second parenthesis. -5 times 4 is -20. -5 times e is -5e. +6 times e is just +6e. +6 times 7 is equal 42. Everything is equal 0. Next, I'm supposed to combine the like terms. Let me write them next to each other. So I have -20 plus 42 minus 5e plus 6e is equal 0. Now we have -20 plus 42 is equal 22. Remember, anytime we add negative number to positive, we're supposed to perform the subtraction from the bigger number. We're supposed to subtract the smaller number and keep the sign of the larger number. 42 minus 20 is 22 and keep the sign of the larger number. That's why I have positive 22. Minus 5e plus 6e, the same property we're supposed to use. From the bigger number, subtract the smaller number and keep the sign of the larger number. That's why I'm going to have just e plus e equals 0. In order to find value of e, I have to move 22 to the other side of the equal sign. That's why I'm going to have e equals -22. In order to verify the answer, we're supposed to replace every e in the original equation by -22. That's why I'm going to have -5, 4 plus -22 plus 6, open parenthesis, -22 plus 7 equals 0. -5, we have to do operation first inside of the parenthesis. I have 4 positive times negative gives me -22 plus 6. -22 plus 7 is -15 equals 0. -5, do the operation inside of the parenthesis first. 4 minus 22 is equal -18. And I have 6 times 15 is 90. So I have -90 equals 0. -5 times -18 is 90. Minus 90 is equal 0. 90 minus 90 is 0 equals 0. As you can see, the left side of my equation is equal to the right side of my equation. That's why e equals -22 is the correct answer to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. We have t inside of the parenthesis on the left side of the equation and on the right side. On the left side, we have to apply the distributive law in order to eliminate the parentheses. And I have 3 times 3 is equal 9. 3 times -t is -3t. Okay, because I have invisible positive sign at the front of the parentheses, I can simply remove the parentheses and just simply copy -9 plus 3t. Next, I have to combine the like terms. I'm going to bring this positive 3t to the left side and 9 to the right side. And I'm going to have minus 3t minus 3t equals negative 9 minus 9. Negative 3t minus 3t gives me negative 6t equals negative 18. In order to find the value of t, I'm supposed to divide both sides equation by negative 6. Negative 6 and negative 6 will cancel out, and I have t equals negative divided by negative gives me positive, 18 divided by 6 gives me 3. This is the solution to my problem.